Discover Katana Kitten, the unique cultural fusion in the heart of New York City. Experience the captivating blend of Japanese aesthetics and Western mixology, crafting mesmerizing cocktails. Indulge in expertly crafted classic Japanese highballs or unique concoctions while savoring mouth-watering, flavor-rich cuisine. Immerse yourself in this oasis of Eastern charm, where unforgettable experiences and cherished memories await. Step into Katana Kitten and embark on a one-of-a-kind journey.
I loved you in denial. Shouldn't have left receipts, now I got you on fire. Shit might get released when you walk down the aisle. Exposed to who you are beneath that fake ass smile. A couple songs about you when I told the truth through and through. Never name drop, you guilty if you assume it's you. From laying under covers to staying under your skin, I know exactly what a